Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this bangle model. This is a very simple surface model. Okay, let's start. First we need select a revolve command. Then select XZ plane. Create new sketch. We need to create a rectangle. Constrain this midpoint on X. Then we need to add two arcs. Okay, next select these two lines and convert to reference. Make dimension 1.5 1 millimeter, and this midpoint to 50. Okay, we finish the sketch. Finish. Next we need to select Z as X vector. We need here curve, so the first angle 8 and here -8. Okay. Next we need partner geometry. Select this body and the learner. 2 vector and patch distance 1.6. 1.6. and we find here 1.6. So okay. Now is surface and use slope codes. We need to select tangent codes, tangent code, and select this position. Add a new set. Oh no, tangent. We need to select this surface and this surface. So the first, this, and the second. Okay, nice. Next, edge blend 0.3. Unit body. Select all body. Okay. Next we change it. Appraise. Golden. Oh no, we found 8. So we need to come back. Edit. Here. So, and select perpendicular. Okay, nice. Good. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.